Now we will solve question number 5 from exercise 12a, in which principal amount is given, it is 5000 rupees, rate of interest is 9% per annum, and time is 146 days. So first we will convert this time which is given in days into the years. So here time is equals to 146 days, and we all know that 365 days is equals to 1 year. So from here I can find value of 1 day. So value of 1 day is equals to 1 by 365 years. That's why we will divide 146 days by 365 to convert it in years. So from here I can also write it 146 into 1 days, because if I multiply 146 with 1, I will get 146 and it will become 146 days, so value will remain same. Now I will put the value of this one day from this statement. So it is 146 multiplied by 1 day is equals to 1 by 365 years. So I can convert this in like 146 upon 365 years. Now I will put all the given values in the formula of simple interest. So simple interest is equals to principal into rate of interest into time divided by 100. So simple interest, so here principal amount is rupees 5000, rate of interest is 9%, that is 9, and time is equals to 146 divided by 365, and here it is 100 of the formula. Now we can cut 20 by 20, and we can cut this 365 and 50 by 5. So here it is 5 tens are 50, and it is 5 sevens are 35, and 5 threes are 15. Now I can cut this 146 and 73 by 73. So 73 is 173 and 73 2s are 146. Now if I multiply the numerator and numerator, it will come 10 9s are 90 and 92s are 180. So hence simple interest is equals to rupees 180, and I have to find amount. So amount is equals to principal plus simple interest, and here principal is given, it is rupees 5000. So 5000 plus simple interest is rupees 180. So if I add 5000 and 180, I will get rupees 5180. So total amount is rupees 5180. So you can write, hence simple interest is equals to rupees 180, and amount is equals to rupees 5180. So this is the answer of question number 5 from exercise 12a.